Hello friends, Professor Rao here. Welcome to Let's Crack the Interviews channel, and today we are going to talk about brainstorming. What is brainstorming and why brainstorming is used as a problem solving technique, and where do we use brainstorming? What's the process of brainstorming? And these are some of the aspects we try to explore in this short module. Brainstorming is a method of thinking up solutions, concepts, ideas in problem solving. It's a problem solving technique or a tool. You know, Alex Osborne once said that the best way to have a good idea is to have many ideas. Therefore, brainstorm is to generate more ideas. The best way to have a good idea is to have more ideas, many ideas. So brainstorming is a method of thinking up solutions, concepts, ideas in problem solving. If an organization is confronting with any problem or an issue, if they bring in all their important stakeholders or team members to a brainstorming room and put forth that particular problem area and conduct brainstorming, generate ideas, concepts. The process of brainstorming is organized in groups. It's a free association to the topic given, and it happens and organized in relaxed and friendly atmosphere. And judgment is being deferred and release the human mind and lateral thinking. Brainstorming is a process of allowing uninterrupted flow of ideas in problem solving. Once you bring the team into the brainstorming room, you allow the people to ventilate and come out with ideas and without any interruption. So that is the bottom line. Very, very important. What are the key rules? Brainstorming as a process needs to be conducted in a relaxed and friendly atmosphere, which is completely free from any restrictions and inhibitions. Because, as humans, in a relaxed and friendly atmosphere, we feel free and generate more ideas, and we feel very friendly and we will be very proactive. No criticism or judgment is offered on the points or the ideas shared by the team. Should not criticize and pass on judgments. We need to invite flow of ideas without any interruption and no criticism, no judgment. Quantity matters at this point in time, not quality. In the brainstorming, we gather as many ideas as possible, and quantity of ideas is matters a lot than quality. Segregation, arriving at organizing a brainstorm. Friends, brainstorming is organized in three phases: preparation phase, conduction phase, and evaluation phase. First, when an organization confronts with an idea, a problem, and first you need to prepare and see and identify who are the people to be conducted, to be contacted and invited for the brainstorming meeting. That all part of the preparation phase. You need to identify the problem, specify the problem, select the right people to be called for the meeting, maximum size of 10 to 12 people, decide when and where you organize that brainstorming meeting, and arrange the people to sit in circular or semicircular U-shaped uh, seating arrangement in the room, brainstorming room, and invite people, make sure that they have time and they come and they give their undivided attention for that 30 minutes or 40 minutes required for the brainstorming. That's part of the preparation phase. Next, conducting the brainstorming. In conducting the brainstorming, you specify the object to make sure that everybody is happy with the central question, and you specify the objective of why the team is gathered in the conference room. Decide the roles, see that who is the leader, who records the time, who is a panel, and who is a timekeeper, things like that. People assume different roles and explain the rules. Rules are thing that all ideas are legitimate. You should not look into any judgmental point in time, and you can let people to jot down a few ideas before starting. Give them some time as a warm up. Begin by going around and open the floor, and begin by gathering the ideas and on a round robin basis. The phase 3, evaluation phase, where you put the evaluation of the next day. The same day should not be evaluated. Give them a day. In the meantime, if any new ideas have come up, please factor them and add them to the list. Group similar ideas together. Select the best or most interesting sessions. Group the available ideas into different buckets and together, and create teams which will work on this team. So once group them into different categories, and you create a working party or the working teams which will work on the different teams based on the group of ideas, and inform people about the result. Once the working team created and work on it and take an action item and implement the action, then once that out, this is how brainstorming is conducted, friends, and which is very important problem solving technique in the organizational context. Next time you confront with any problem, please call all your team members or your fellow friends to your room and organize a brainstorming. I am sure you'll be surprised to see that what kind of bright ideas you get in order to solve the problem in your hand. It's a very important, extremely productive problem solving technique. Thank you very much. I am sure you got some idea about what brainstorming is all about. Happy brainstorming. Thank you.